Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking an Excel 1A and 1B simulation exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on a piece screen. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. In cell F5, type a formula that adds the value in cell C5. Okay, tau is equal to sum, then C5 to F5. Okay, then press enter. It will be show value here. Okay, in cell F6, use the point and click method. Okay, is equal to sum, add formula, then okay, it will be shown value here. In cell C20, enter a function to sum the value in cells C5 to C19 is equal to sum, and then C5 to C19, and then press enter. It will be show value here. Okay, then press enter. Okay, 201 total. Question 1 is completed now. Question 7 is completed now. In cell D20, use the keyboard shortcut to enter a sum function that adds the range D5 to D19. Okay. In cell D20 is equal to sum function and then D5 to D19, and then press enter. It will be show value in cell D20. Okay, copy the formula to cell D20, cross through. Question is completed now. Merge and center the range A1 to J1. First we select this range and then we will go to home tab and then we will click on merge and center. Okay, here is merge and center. Okay, it will be merge and center. Apply the title cell style to range A1 to J1. First we select this range and go to cell style, click on cell style and then select title cell style. Okay, apply the title cell style and then apply title cell style. Merge and center the range A2 to J2. First we select this range A2 to J2 and then merge and center. Okay, apply the heading to cell style to the range A2 to J2. Okay, select this range and then apply heading cell 2. Select the non-adjustment A4 to F4. Okay, first we select this range and apply heading cell 4 style. First we will select these ranges. And then we will apply heading 4 style. Okay, question is completed now. You can see here I have done this question. Now next question is that format cell G5 using the counting number format. Click on cell G5 and go to home tab and then click on counting number format. Here is counting number format. Okay, format the range G6 to G19 using comma cell style. First we select this ranges and then go to home tab and then go to comma cell style here. You can see here number group. Okay, apply the total cell style to the range B20 to G20. First we select this range and then go to home tab and then go to cell style and then click on total cell style. Okay, question is completed now. Next question is that change the worksheet theme to Wisp. Okay, go to page layout, go to theme and then go to change this Wisp. Okay, question is completed now. Now select the range A5 to E19 and use recommended chart feature to insert the third chart suggestion cluster column chart. First we select this range and go to home tab and then go to recommended chart and then click on recommended chart feature to insert the chart suggestion cluster column chart. Click on cluster column chart. Here is cluster bar. Now cluster column is here. Okay, press OK. Cluster column chart will be inserted here. Question is completed now. Add the chart title quarter 1 enrollments. Okay, click on chart title and then we will add this title is quarter 1 enrollment here. Okay, we will copy and paste here chart title. You can copy chart title and paste here. You can type here quarter 1 enrollment. Okay, change the chart style to style 3 and then change the chart color to color for pattern 3. Okay, go to change color and select color for pattern 3. Okay, position the chart so that upper left corner of, okay, cut the right click on this and cut the chart and paste on cell A22. Paste in cell A22 and then we will move the chart in cell A22. Okay, we will position the upper left corner and question is completed. Now you can see here. Now next question is just select the ranges is C5 to E19 insert line tap spark line. Basically this question we will have to insert a spark line. First we select this range C5 to E19. Okay, first we will select these ranges and then click on insert tab and then go to line spark line and then we will location range is that J5 to J19. Then press OK and spark line will be inserted here. Select, okay, set the style to sparkline sparkline style colorful fold. Basically in this step we will have to change the sparkline style color. Okay, here is colorful 4. Sparkline colorful 4 is here. You can select this. Okay, start the style sparkline colorful 4. Colorful 4 sparkline is here. Okay, colorful 4. Okay, question is completed now. Next question is that center the worksheet on the page horizontally. Do not close the page setup dialog box. Okay, center the worksheet horizontally. Okay, go to margin horizontally and go to custom footer is that in the name in the left area is file name is left area and then close and okay, then question is completed now. Okay, next question is edit the documents properties to include the tax enrollment as tax. Okay, info and go to properties and title is that go to info and go to add a title is that enrollment, close back page view if necessary. Okay, view the print preview, view the print preview. Okay, preview the preview. Here is print preview. Okay, question is completed now. Now next question is just print the selection A4 to F20. First we select this range and then we will print the selection. Go to page layout. Go to page layout. Okay, 1 second. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Okay. Go to page layout and go to my WhatsApp and email are given in the description. Okay, print area and set print area. And then we will select this range. We will select this range first. Then set print area. Okay, 1 second. Then go to info. Then go to print. Then print Okay, display the formula in the worksheet. Display the formulas in the worksheet. Okay, click on show formula and formula will be shown here. Select column A to E and then apply AutoFit. First we select this column and then we will go to format and then select AutoFit with. Okay, set the orientation of worksheet to landscape. Go to page layout and then select orientation to landscape. Set the scaling of worksheet to width of one page. Set scan to fit to width of one page is that you can select this one page. Width of one page, fit to width one page. Okay, set this current worksheet to width of one page. Okay, you can select this width is one page. Question is completed now. Now next question is that with A1 as the active cells, check the spelling. Okay, click on view tab. Okay, first we select A1, click on view tab and then click on spelling and change all and then press OK and spelling will be checked. Question is completed now. Next question, just select the range M10 to 013, leave the range selected and then M10 to active cell, enter the value 8 and press enter. First we select this range. Okay, select it with M10 as the active cell, enter the value 8 as the press enter. Okay, tab 13 in cell M11. Tab 13 in cell M11 and tab 7 in cell M13 and then tab 10 in cell N10. Question is completed now. Okay, next question is that in cell H5 enter a formula that multiplies the total enrollment in cell F5 by cost per participant in cell G5. Okay, click on cell H5 and then is equal to press F5 multiply G5 and then it will be shown value here. Fill the formula in H5 through H6 to H19. You can right click on this, double click on this or scroll down. Okay, format the range H6 to H19 using the comma. Okay, first we select this range and then click on comma cell style and the question is completed now. Use the quick analysis button to sum the range H5 to H19 and place the result in H25. First we select this range, quick analysis and then click on totals. Okay, scroll down and click on quick analysis button and click on totals and then sum. Click on sum. It will be shown sum values here. Use the quick analysis button to sum in H20. Okay, click on quick analysis, click on totals and click on sum. Okay, it will be shown value here. Okay, you can see your question is completed now. Now next question is that in cell F5 create a formula to divide value in cell F5 by F20. Click on cell F5 is equal to, we will have to enter a formula here, F5 dividing by F5 F4 dividing by F20. Sorry, F5 dividing by 20. F20 dividing by F5 and then press enter. It will be shown value is here. Sorry, 1 second. F5 dividing by F20. F5 divided by F20 and then press enter. And then press enter. Okay, it will be shown value here. Copy the formula to I5 through down cell I6 to I19. Okay, you can down this formula and question is completed now. Next question is that tab 20 in cell C8. We will have to tab 20 in cell C8. Click on cell C8 and then tab 20 in formula bar. Okay, remove this 16 and then tab 20 in formula bar, tab 9 in cell D12. Click on cell D12 and then we will have to tab 9 in formula bar. Okay, added cells A7 editing by text purchase after the word Rams. Okay, we will have to edit this word. You can tab for questions. Okay, the question is completed now. Next question is format cell. If I have to I-19 with the percent style, we will select this ranges and then click on home button, go to number group and then select percent style and then select two decimal places. Okay, percent style and click on number group and two decimal places. Okay, center the percentage. Question is completed now. You can see here I have done 80% of this exam. For remaining question or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all courses: Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SS, accounting, finance, math and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.